How's it going, everybody, today? Today's going to be kind of a short one because I got a bunch of stuff I need to take care of today for myself. But I do got a little one here. It's going to be a quick one. This is from a company called ninitools.com. And this is their, what's it called? It's called a NavigatorX card. And what it does is you have NavigatorX. You got here is the NavigatorX is a unique card that will help you navigate and measure distance to target measure distance to targets. Read the time with sundial or using star clock. You can also convert units from metric to imperial and reverse. This card will help you determine approximate sunset as well. They got a list here. And just give you a really good look at it here. And then I'll put it back down. Yeah, there we go. Star clock, imperial to metric, metric to imperial, sundial, measure distance to target, calculate distance to target, sunset calculator, and then we got length conversion chart on the back here, the website up there. Handy little card. It could have been laminated, but I guess you could always get it laminated yourself, which wouldn't be really a big deal. Let's see what else I got here. That's pretty much all they have on there. Compass marker can be used for navigation orientation that shows direction relative to the geographic cardinal directions. They got a couple videos on their Kickstarter. That'll also be linking their Kickstarter in here and their website, of course, as I always do. They say it's a very simple tool to use for both adults and children. It's educational, fits in your wallet, which hence why I would want it laminated. It comes in a bunch of different colors. You can see there you got white, black, and blue. Actually, I think the white's kind of easier to see. Sorry about the blurriness. Still waiting on a camera. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to link everything in there. Sorry for such a short video, because I do have a bunch of stuff to take care of. I've been neglecting quite a bit of stuff trying to learn YouTube and videos and editing and everything else. So I need to take a little time for myself and take care of some stuff. But I will be back again tomorrow with another video. And it'll be a bit better than this one, a bit longer than this one. And then I think it's Friday or Saturday. I know Friday I have another package coming in that I'm going to be reviewing. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it Friday. I'm most likely do it Saturday. Give myself some time to actually do a decent video because there's quite a few parts in this next one I'm getting in. So thank you very much for your time and watching my video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.